Falta alguna.
Sí, pero amarrémoslo de acá. Que salga un mecate de este lado y otro de este lado.
Agarra la punta de ahí. Derecha, derecha.
No te vayas a echar.
Vuelta, vuelta. Oh. Ahí está, mira. Opa. ¿O aquí? O mejor aquí como están. No, en ese no. Sí, ahora que están. Estás ahí en medio. Ay, está triste. Usted está triste. Ya no vamos a trabajar. Mare. Pásalo un poco. Pásalo. Ese no es nuestro.
Hierro, Juan. Vámonos.
Chalo. Bueno. Para blanco, dicen. Para blanco. Pinto, ale. Encima nomás vaya. Hasta el rato, la segunda, la tercera ya se
De lado o los tobas lo venían levantando. Somos entrenadores de yuntas a la venta, ¿quién dijo yo? Perro. Ya, ahora que no. Perro. Perro.
Así como se atora, ya ves.
Perro.
These guys are at it early in the morning today. The sun's barely showing up. Just starting to warm up. Oh, there's the work crew. They did a really good job the other day. They did some good plowing. And today, I think they're going to do plowing in a different area, a new area they're going to plant. But it's nice and early. Looks like that mesquite's on fire. Oh, every morning is beautiful here. You're a good boy. It's breakfast time.
Yeah. Vámonos. Yeah. Yeah.
Yo cuando otra agarró charreando los tres.
Vámonos. Yeah. cubeta. Entonces de este lado echamos avena.
Pero igual está un poco duro.
No, este no. Este no lo vamos a tocar porque este es para otro. Podemos aquí echar avena. Vuelta. Negro. Negro.
It's another early morning. The sun is just peeking up over the mountains over there. It's very chilly this morning. And these guys are already at it. They brought the big guys today. The rookies stayed home. They need the experienced team. Today they're going to be planting sorghum, oats. I think that's maybe one more thing. These guys know what they're doing.
Patrona, morning.
Morning.
My seat.
Yeah. This is the plow made of wood. They used the iron plow yesterday. The wood plow is, I think they said, just much lighter, and it makes like a nicer furrow. So they use the wood one when they're ready to plant.
Nomás acuérdese dónde
Sí.
está dejando.
I call this guy, sometimes I call him Everest, and sometimes I call him Pups. But he's just a stray, but he likes to come around. And I always have a little bit of something to give him. He's still very shy. He goes far away. But he comes back. Building up the trust. He doesn't, I mean, he runs with a bunch of other dogs, but he doesn't seem to always be accepted by them. I see them sometimes being mean to him. I don't know. Well, he had a limp actually for a little while. So I don't know if it was because of that. Or what the reason was, but they were kind of mean to him. So I'm hoping that he'll eventually trust me. He's only taken food from my hand once before. It's okay, Pups. Here. You can have it. Good boy. If you want to know what a hard life is, you can try being a dog in Mexico for a day. These animals here suffer quite a bit. I'm sure there are other countries where that happens too. But coming from the US and seeing how hey, we're doing good this morning, Pups. Seeing how pets, dogs, cats, things like that are treated so differently. I mean, even people's pets here are treated very differently from the way that we would treat pets over there. And then the ones that are just strays, they've got a hard life. That's it, Pups. You ate the whole thing, look. The bag is empty. There's some water over there for you. Go drink some water. Sorry. That's it for today, boy. You ate it all up. Don't have any leftovers from yesterday. Today. And interestingly, I leave leftovers out for other, whenever we have leftovers that we can't get to in time, I put them out over in the edge of the property for the dogs to get. But he's the only one who's ever really come up close by. He'll hang out sometimes in the afternoon and just watch what we're doing. The other dogs don't seem interested in what we're doing. They could care less. But this guy, he comes around and he sits in the sun. He watches us. He lays down. He takes a nap. So he must like hanging out a little bit. Good boy, pups. I call him Everest every once in a while because he does kind of, when I first started to see him from afar, he reminded me of the little husky dog in Paw Patrol. So that's why I would call him Everest.
Tragando polvo.
Tragando polvo.
Y ahí voy yo también.
Supervisor?
Supervisor.
There's pups showing an incredible amount of restraint because there is a bag of bread right there and she is not taking it. She is such a good girl.